Human beings have always been skilled problem solvers. Over the last century, we have developed multiple techniques to solve some of the most complex problems. The 6 thinking hats, the 5 whys, and Design Sprint 2.0 are a few of the most widely used problem-solving techniques. These methods are used by professionals from all walks of life to find effective solutions for a magnitude of problems. In addition to the above-mentioned methods, there are 2 problem-solving techniques that have become immensely popular: design thinking and the engineering design process. In this video, we will learn about design thinking and the engineering design process and the difference between the two. What is design thinking? Design thinking is a creative problem-solving process that focuses on the needs of the end user. This human-centered concept highlights 3 key elements while solving problems: desirability, viability, and feasibility. Through the process of design thinking, human needs or desires are met with technologically feasible and economically viable solutions. The 5 main stages of design thinking are empathize, design, ideate, prototype, and test. What is the engineering design process? Engineering design is a series of steps used to create functional products and processes. It is a decision-making process in which science, maths, and engineering sciences are applied to meet a predefined objective. This approach, too, can be applied to any situation. The main stages of the engineering design process are define the problem, identify constraints, brainstorm solutions, select the most promising solution, create a prototype, test and evaluate, iterate, and communicate the results. The 2 problem-solving techniques share similar processes, namely observation, research, prototype, test, iterate, and build. They also employ similar mindsets like critical thinking and project management. Both design thinking and the engineering design process are social and collaborative methods. But what are the differences between design thinking and engineering design? The main difference between the 2 lies in their approach. Design thinking is needs-oriented, whereas engineering design is problem-oriented. Design thinking focuses on the user of a yet-to-be-invented solution. The centrifugal force that drives design thinking are people. It takes into account their behavior, habits, emotions, and thoughts. Hence, the application of this approach can become unpredictable. On the other hand, the engineering design process lays emphasis on the problem itself. Since the engineering design process focuses on the problem, it removes the unpredictability of the human mind, in this case the user, out of the equation to a large extent. Another major difference between the 2 techniques lies in the testing phase. The engineering design process first tests the technical feasibility of the solution, followed by business viability and user desirability. As design thinking is most suited for human-based problems, user desirability is given the highest priority during the testing phase, followed by technical feasibility. Over the last few decades, design thinking and the engineering design process have been successfully implemented to find effective solutions to important problems. Having understood the difference between the 2, it is important to recognize the positives and limitations of each of them. This will help develop a clear understanding of which method to employ for different situations to derive the best outcome.